Hello students, a very warm welcome. This particular video is about a very particular exam, that is the BITSAT exam, which is the admission test for BITS Pilani, Goa and Hyderabad campus and Dubai campus as well. But we will target the Indian cities, that is Pilani, Goa and Hyderabad. No doubt it is one of the best private colleges without a doubt. अगर आप country में कोई private college की बात करते हैं तो BITS is the best private college of the country, full stop. ठीक है, तो BITSAT 2025 did the admission test. ब्रोशर आ चुका है, आज ब्रोशर अपलोड करा गया है and there the process registration process has already started. It will again be conducted in two sessions as it is conducted for JEE mains. BITSAT session 1 26th to 30th May and second session is 22nd June to 26th, and you can attempt both of the sessions. You can do any one of them and you can attempt both, and the best of the two score will be taken for your admission process. So you have two attempts to improve your performance or to showcase at BITSAT. Now, a BITSAT 2025 pattern has not changed. It is the same as 2024 pattern. 2024 में आपका 130 questions हुए थे, 390 marks plus 3 minus 1 marking scheme, 30 for physics and chemistry, 40 questions from maths and 30 questions from English and LR, where the English would be 10 and LR would be 20 questions. All the questions carry the same marking, plus 3 minus 1. There are 12 bonus questions also apart from these 130 questions, but they are available only when you attempt all these 130 questions, and then you cannot go back to these 130 questions once you enter that 12 bonus questions. 12 bonus questions is 3, 3, 3 and 3 from logical reasoning as per the last year trend, and they keep on changing. It is plus 3 logical, or it is 3 from English, or a mix of them, we don't know. Now, talking about another important thing that you should know about BITSAT बच्चों, that there is no reduction in syllabus. So for example, we have drastic reduction in syllabus at JEE mains. It does not happen at BITSAT. They follow the same as what happens at JEE advanced. And their brochure also states that the syllabus is exactly same as 2024. The same thing which was said in the JEE advanced 2024 brochure. Also, there is some changes at seat matrix also. So there are two new fields or streams that have been added. One is BE Electronics and Computer. Apart from already they have two computer science fields, that is BE Computer Science at all the three campuses. Recently, last year they launched BE Mathematics and Computing, which became immediately the second most preferred choice at BITS campuses, which is strange. We were thinking it would be the third, but it came out to be the second best option. And now they have also introduced BE Mixture of Computer and Electronics, BE Computer and Electronics, but they have only launched it at the Goa campus as of now this year, and we expect that next year they might open it in other two campuses also. Apart from that, there is a BE Environmental and Sustainability Engineering at all the three campuses that have been introduced. So that means better options, better chances of getting into a BITS Pilani campus for you guys, because now two new streams are there. So अभी हमने न्यूज सुना है ना कि भाई IITs are opening up, giving more seats. That's I think what BITS is also doing here. Apart from that, there is a dual degree also, which is also very popular. Dual degree में भी एक नया field, या in fact देखा जाए तो दो general studies भी है एक, but there is a very interesting dual degree field that has been added. That is MSc Semiconductors and Nanoscience at all the three campuses. That means you can club, if you get this as a dual degree, you will get a BE from this depending on your CGPA that you get, and then you will be masters at Semiconductor and Nanoscience, which is a very interesting field बच्चों. Depending on if you club it with electronics, I think this is going to be a very good option. ठीक, तो ये तो बात हुई BITSAT की. कट ऑफ के बारे में मैंने अभी सिर्फ टॉप फील्ड्स के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ, टॉप 5 fields which were there. I will come up with a BITSAT cut-off video in a separate one. BITS Pilani 327, Mathematics and Computing. This was the second preferred. जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन होता था उसकी जगह एकदम से जगह बना ली मैथमेटिक्स एंड कंप्यूटिंग. एंड हैदराबाद इज एक्चुअली टेकिंग अप प्लेस विद गोवा कैंपस. ये 301 है, नॉट 201 बच्चों, दिस इज अ मिस्टेक, दिस इज 301 फॉर कंप्यूटर साइंस, और ये तेजी से बढ़ रहे हैं. तो आप देख रहे हो कट ऑफ टॉप 5 के लिए बड़ी अच्छी है आउट ऑफ 390, बट नीचे जब आप उतरते हो तो ऐसा नहीं है कि इन टॉप 5 के अलावा स्ट्रीम्स नहीं है. यू हैव सीन दैट देयर आर लॉट ऑफ अदर स्ट्रीम्स which you can target. So competition is obviously getting crazier for BITS. That's what it is happening. And that is why, to make sure that you also do well in the competitive space for BITSAT 2025 crash course. Let me just give you the quick intro about how we will make sure that your entry to the best private college of the country becomes seamless. Now, first of all, let's talk about the new pattern that has been introduced, 130 questions. Earlier, it used to be 150. बट अभी भी अब जेई मेंस ने भी रिडक्शन कर दिया 75. तो इफ यू जस्ट कंपेयर इट विद 75 वर्सेस 130, दैट्स वेयर द बिगेस्ट डिफरेंस लाइज. प्लस इफ यू नोटिस दैट जेई मेंस बच्चों, जेई मेन में सिलेबस रिडक्शन है, बिटसेट में देयर इज नो सिलेबस रिडक्शन. सो देयर आर टू वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स, सिलेबस रिडक्शन एंड द स्पीड गेम. सो बिटसेट इज एन एग्जाम वेयर देयर इज नो डिलीशन एंड वेयर यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू सॉल्व क्विक. इसमें मैं एक और अपडेट दे देता हूं तुम्हें, बिकॉज वी गाइज प्रोड्यूस बिट्सियन वेरी फ्रीक्वेंटली. अगर मैं एक एग्जांपल के तौर पे दूं, 1 out of every 4 बिट्सियन is from Quizzer platform. That is how popular the bit test series or the BITSAT crash course of Math on Go in a Quizzer platform is. Now we know for very sure that last year जब हमने बच्चों से बात करी, जो बच्चे हमारी टेस्ट सीरीज या क्रैश कोर्स का हिस्सा थे, that the level of the paper has drastically improved. So if you are solving any book of BITSAT which was made or printed earlier than 2022, it's useless right now. In fact, in 2024, the paper of physics was better than JEE Mains 2024 physics paper. Chemistry बराबर, maths obviously BITSAT की lower level पे आती है, not at the par with JEE Mains level, but yes, they can trick you with 1 or 2 odd tough questions. Now that is where the idea comes for the BITSAT crash course. Now since there is 40 questions weightage at the BITSAT examination, so the course basically though starts from 9th Feb. 9th Feb basically is the orientation. Content starts coming from 10th of February. Now it's a course predominantly on maths and English logical reasoning, जो होता था हमेशा से. But now we are back this year with full force for physics and chemistry also. So but you have to listen to it, what we guys are going to give you for each of these 5 subjects. Now offering for the batch is that you will get a dedicated math course. You will get exclusive content for PCM. I'll explain it to you. And you will get English and logical reasoning as well in this course. And there is one more offering which I'll tell you at the end, जो आपके लिए सबसे ज़्यादा important है. Now, BITSAT the math course will focus on 2 levels of recorded lectures, quick formula revision or concept revision, and it will be a speed drill video. Now, speed drill will tell you the methods to solve a question with the help of elimination of options, or by just solving it in mind and doing it very very quickly. More importantly, you have to understand that this particular thing is led by someone who is real topper. कई जगहों पे आपने देखा होगा taken by Bitsians. Ask someone, do they have someone who has scored 402 out of 450 at BITSAT? Yes, he is someone who has graduated himself from BITS Pilani CS division. कुणाल सर, यस, आपके कुणाल तनेजा सर जो हैं, he has scored 402. ठीक है. BITSAT एक्सक्लूसिव की जब मैं बात करता हूं, okay, let's talk about one at one and then I will maybe able to talk. Let's talk about the BITSAT math crash course. भैया 40 मार्क्स हैं, 40 क्वेश्चन हैं, दैट इज इंटू 3 कर दो तो 120 मार्क्स. ठीक है, बहुत हाई वेटेज है. 1/3 वेटेज इज बेसिकली फॉर योर मैथ्स. सो दैट इज व्हाई अ डेडिकेटेड कोर्स. दिस इज द शेड्यूल बच्चों. We'll take an orientation and from this we'll start with function. This is basically when the recorded lectures will come. 2 level of lectures. One is concept lecture which is just for revision of the concept. One is speed drill. ठीक है, both are in the recorded format. Concept lecture would be by me, but the speed drill lecture would be taken by Kunal sir, because you have to learn from the real topper. यार 402 नंबर बन रहे हैं जिसके BITSAT से बहुत जगह पे आप सुनोगे बिट्सियंस ने बनाया है. पूछो तो सही क्या रैंक है उनकी. क्या वो बिट्स पिलानी सीएस डिवीजन के हैं क्या बंदे? दैट इज वेयर यू आर गोइंग टू बी लर्निंग फ्रॉम. नोबडी नोज बेटर देन व्हाट ही इज गोइंग टू टेल यू, बिकॉज ही हैज ग्रेजुएटेड नाउ. अब वो पढ़ नहीं रहे हैं. बहुत सारे बच्चे अभी वो हैं जो वहां पढ़ रहे होते हैं, वो बताते हैं आपको. ही हैज स्टडीड देयर, ही नोज इन एंड आउट. बोलते हैं ना एल्यूमिनाई नेटवर्क बहुत अच्छा है, बड़े सारे स्टार्टअप्स निकलते हैं, बड़े सारे एंटरप्रेन्योर्स बनते हैं, कल्चर बहुत अच्छा है. ही विल लेट यू नो एंटायर थिंग अबाउट BITSAT to keep you pumped up, to keep you in the speed drill mode, to keep you engrossed with the content which is required to crack BITSAT. ठीक है, तो शेड्यूल यहां पर हमने बोर्ड्स के लिए भी सफिशिएंट गैप दिया है, बिकॉज वी नो मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स हु राइट BITSAT आर बेसिकली ones who are class 12th aspirants. Now, what is this live session? This is live session which is called BitSet exclusive session. This is basically mentoring sessions, not just teaching sessions. ये बताया जाएगा आपको कोर्स को कैसे यूज करना है, कौन सी चीज कब करनी है. So you do not get distracted and you are always on the goal. Right? That's the agenda. Now, this will be concept lectures for better grip and there will be speed drills as I have told you. Along with that, you will also get 40 questions DPP for every chapter so that you can practice questions of the BitSet level. Next, we will talk about the BitSet PCM exclusive. अब इसका क्या मतलब है सर? We talked about that there is deletion of topics that has happened at JEE Mains. Chapter ही हट गए बहुत सारे तो, but वो सारे के सारे आपको क्या करने पड़ेंगे? BitSet के लिए करने पड़ेंगे. So we guys are going to give you recorded lectures on all the chapters and topics that have been deleted from JEE Mains in a very, very crisp format. So this is the schedule. Though this is not all the chapters, this list is not complete. You can check the schedule which is in the description box. And all these things will be covered in crisp format in recorded lectures. We are showing you physics, chemistry, maths. जो हटा है हमने वो इंक्लूड कर लिया है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल केमिस्ट्री की अगर बात करें, स्टेट ऑफ मैटर पूरा पढ़ना पड़ रहा है. हाइड्रोजन, एस ब्लॉक, ठीक है, सॉलिड स्टेट, सरफेस केमिस्ट्री, मेटलर्जी, पी ब्लॉक सारा पढ़ना पड़ेगा, एस ब्लॉक, हाइड्रोजन सारा पढ़ना पड़ेगा. हम वो सारे के सारे कोई क्रिस्प वीडियोस आपको देंगे. अलॉन्ग विद दैट some questions for every lecture for practice. So for example, let's say you have done state of matter, gas laws and ideal equation. We'll give you some questions to practice on this. So that जो आपने पढ़ा, जो टीचर ने आपको पढ़ाया, वो आप क्वेश्चन में भी अप्लाई करें, so that you can seal this up. आया मजा? पांचों सब्जेक्ट की केयर करनी है हमें. तो अभी मैंने कितने सब्जेक्ट केयर कर लिए? फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री एंड मैथ्स being taken care of. These are all recorded lectures that you will get. ठीक? आइए बात कर लेते हैं इंग्लिश एंड लॉजिकल रीजनिंग विच कंप्राइज ऑफ 90 मार्क्स ऑफ द पेपर, 30 क्वेश्चंस आउट ऑफ दोस 130 क्वेश्चंस. नाउ यू विल गेट 9 लेक्चर्स ऑफ इंग्लिश एंड 9 लेक्चर्स ऑफ लॉजिकल रीजनिंग. ठीक है, दिस विल बी गिवन आफ्टर योर बोर्ड, सीबीएसई बोर्ड, दैट इज आफ्टर 20th मार्च. वी डू नॉट वांट टू स्पेंड टाइम राइट नाउ फॉर दिस. फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, मैथ इसलिए दे रहे हैं क्योंकि आप वो पढ़ रहे हैं. इंग्लिश एलआर मैं कहता हूं अगर आप जेईई मेन अटेम्प्ट 1 के बाद भी करोगे, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. आप एक महीने में इंग्लिश इंप्रूव नहीं कर सकते हो, आप एक महीने में एलआर इंप्रूव नहीं कर सकते हो. जो बात आ रही है एलआर की, एलआर इज नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट, इट इज जस्ट दैट यू हैव डन दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, यू जस्ट नीड अ रिवीजन ऑफ इट. इंग्लिश आल्सो टू सम एक्सटेंट वी कांट डू मच हियर, बट यस वी विल हेल्प यू विद वीडियो लेक्चर्स, प्लस यू विल आल्सो गेट नोट्स ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी इंग्लिश एंड एलआर टॉपिक. नोट्स भी मिलेंगे, क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस सर आ जाओ उस पर बात करते हैं. So all lectures of English and LR will be uploaded after 20th of March. But yes, I told you in the beginning that there is more to it. BitSet mock test series, the biggest and the best test series that you have for BitSet exam, वो आपको इस कोर्स के साथ ही मिलेगी. कब तक? सुनना जरा आखिर तक. So Quizzer test series में क्या क्या है? चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट of all 5 subjects, that is PCM और English LR. English LR के मिला के there are somewhere around 70 plus चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट, जिसमें छोटे छोटे टेस्ट हैं 10-10 क्वेश्चन के. क्विकली रिवाइज हुआ, आपने पढ़ा और रिवाइज करा. 272 चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट, स्पेशल नोट्स फॉर इंग्लिश एंड एलआर इन द पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट 20, वो उसी के हिसाब से बने जिस हिसाब से वो लेक्चर सेग्रीगेट हुए. प्रीवियस ईयर मेमोरी बेस्ड हैं, 12 मिलते हैं, पर इनकी कोई बहुत ज्यादा अहमियत नहीं है क्योंकि हमें नहीं पता ये कितने रियल है. पार्ट टेस्ट 6, फुल टेस्ट एज पर द न्यू पैटर्न एंड सिलेबस 20, enough that you could ask for BitSet preparation. There are 316 tests, 300 plus tests. अगर आप ये एक एक करके ले गए तो BitSet तो फोड़ ही आओगे यार, कुछ बचा ही नहीं है ना. So this will be given to all the students of the crash course if you join before 9th of Feb. So make sure that you get into this process as early as possible. Students who are already part of the test series of BitSet, right? So okay, so I'll just tell you, students have already joined the BitSet test series and they want to enroll for the crash course, which will give all the content of math crash course plus the BitSet exclusive PCM. You can just pay the difference and you can enroll into it. Okay, and we'll also do special target setting along with test series students if they are part of the test series and the crash course. अगर आप crash course लेते हो तो आपको test series already मिल रही है if you enroll before 9th February, and we will do special जो BitSet exclusive sessions हुए थे ना, उसमें वो target setting करी जाएगी कि आपको कब कब क्या क्या करना है on a regular basis. So just imagine in a week you have 2 BitSet exclusive sessions happening for you. ठीक है, so this is all about the BitSet crash course that we had to offer. I hope that you get to know that why it is so popular, why it is considered one of the best in the market, and you are going to be taught by someone who has scored the highest level at BitSat. And just to tell you the credentials of Kunal, he himself scored 1650 rank at advanced also. तो उनकी स्टोरी बड़ी यूनिक है. आओ सेशन में, बैच में आओ, पता चलेगा क्या है क्या नहीं. इट्स अ पेड कोर्स, बट यस, as usual we do for every of our courses, you can get your 100% money back if you get a 320 plus score at BITS at any of the attempts. There are 2 attempts बच्चों, आप किसी पे भी ले आओ तो you have 2 shots to get your money back. Course validity is till second attempt of the JEE for the BITSAT, sorry not JEE. तो आपका जो BITSAT का second attempt हो रहा है, आप अभी खरीदते हैं, आपको तब तक कंटेंट मिलेगा जब तक BITSAT का लास्ट डेट है सेकंड अटेम्प्ट का. ठीक है. सो दैट्स व्हाट इट इज ऑल अबाउट. ऑलरेडी द कोर्स फी इज रिड्यूस्ड, बट बाय 9th द फी विल इंक्रीज. इट इज नॉट 7th बच्चों, बट बाय 9th द फी विल इंक्रीज. ठीक है. स्टूडेंट्स हु ऑलरेडी हैव द मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज कैन जस्ट पे द डिफरेंस to join the batch. You can just have to drop an email that support@mathonvo and they will help you out with the credentials. Batch starts 10th. याद रखिएगा 9th को ओरिएंटेशन है और 10th से कंटेंट आना शुरू हो रहा है. ठीक है. Registrations by this video are now open and we hope that we get you to your dream score at BITS 2025, BITSAT 2025, so that you get, if I am not sure whether you can see the campus in the backdrop, to the beautiful campus of BITS Pilani, Goa और Hyderabad. ठीक है. So let's go to Pilani. हमारा टारगेट है let's go Pilani, let's see what we guys can do, क्योंकि हमें क्या करना है, पेपर फोड़ना है. God bless.